What's up, guys? Well, right now we're going to be in Rains County, Texas with Judge Robert Jenkins Franklin and Judge Linda Wallace, and they're both criminals. So let's see what punishment criminal judges get. Rains County, Texas, 2 judges. That's where we're at right now.
An East Texas judge has been arrested, accused of official oppression and tampering with a witness. According to arrest documents, Rains County Justice of the Peace Robert Jenkins Franklin was officially charged and booked on Wednesday. A lawsuit filed against Franklin accuses him of threatening a defendant earlier this month and saying, quote, "dead men can't testify," when the defendant entered a no contest plea in a felony case. Franklin is currently being held at the Van Zandt County Detention Center.
Comments are turned off, of course they are. Oop. What else is the good judge up to?
Amen.
An East Texas judge accused of driving while intoxicated has been given 12 months of deferred adjudication. Now, this will allow him to avoid a verdict in this case. According to court documents, Rains County Justice of the Peace Robert Jenkins Franklin was arrested back in March of 2024. It happened when a trooper was sent to investigate a suspicious vehicle, which a caller said had been parked for more than an hour with the brake lights on. According to DPS, the trooper found Franklin behind the wheel with several open alcohol containers. The trooper also reported smelling a strong odor of alcohol on his breath. Franklin was arrested for driving while intoxicated. In an unrelated case, Franklin was also arrested earlier this year for official oppression and tampering with a witness. That trial is scheduled to begin in October.
Is it? Okay. Let me guess. No comments. Next.
The county judge has been indicted for witness tampering, accused of meddling in a case involving another elected official.
Yeah, this is happening in Rains County. It's east of Dallas. Officials say Judge Linda Wallace pressured a clerk who worked under her to withhold testimony in a criminal case. Fox 4's David Centendry live in Rains County to break it down. David.
Yeah, officials here in Rains County tell me that Judge Wallace presided over both the Commissioner's Court as well as misdemeanor cases. Now, there were a number of allegations made against her, but it's these allegations that actually made it to an indictment. Rains County, 70 miles east of Dallas. Population, 12,000. Quiet, mostly, but there's commotion about County Judge Linda Wallace, charged with felony tampering with a witness on Wednesday after a grand jury indictment. If convicted, Wallace faces 2 to 10 years in prison.
However, if a person does not have any prior felony convictions, they are eligible for probation.
Van Zandt County District Attorney Tonda Curry appointed special prosecutor on this case after Rains County prosecutors recused themselves to prevent a potential conflict of interest.
It's not unusual for them to recuse themselves, ask a judge to appoint a special prosecutor. Usually that turns out to be somebody from a neighboring county.
According to the indictment, Judge Wallace coerced a clerk to withhold testimony in a case involving her superior, Justice of the Peace Robert Jenkins Franklin. We told you about Franklin back in May. Franklin was indicted on charges of official oppression and tampering with a witness. Franklin allegedly made a death threat to convince a felony suspect to accept a plea deal. Franklin also allegedly tried to convince his chief clerk to falsify an affidavit. The same clerk, Judge Wallace, allegedly tried to get to withhold testimony.
Yes, it was a county employee.
Judge Wallace bonded out of jail Wednesday morning, 20 minutes after she was booked in. Fox 4 calling her Wednesday evening. Hi, Linda. This is David Centendry, reporter over at Fox 4 News. Wallace returning our message, saying no comment.
I don't expect any additional indictments regarding this defendant.
No additional indictments expected. However, ethics questions remain about Judge Wallace and her ties to Justice of the Peace Franklin. Fox 4 obtained court records showing Wallace recused herself from presiding over a case in April after prosecutors raised concerns about her personal bias and impartiality. Prosecutors alleged that Wallace would not sign off on a woman's plea deal for DWI because the state did not offer Justice of the Peace Franklin the same same deal when he was arrested for DWI last year. Prosecutors say Wallace said, "We can't even cover our own." Franklin currently suspended, and even though Wallace resigned, Curry says law dictates she's still county judge for now.
So until there is a new county judge in Rains County appointed, under the law, she can still act as county judge.
And the bond Judge Wallace posted today, $10,000. Steve, Heather, back to y'all.
Steve, Heather, back to y'all. The system is so corrupt, they send people to prison, but they get sweetheart deals. They didn't send them to prison, but we can't even cover our own. The statement alone tells you all you need to know about this judge. That's what I was thinking. This is what is wrong with our court system. People start thinking they are above the law. Well, because they are. They need to go back and overturn every case these two criminals overseen. If you swore an oath to uphold the law, your punishment upon conviction should be commensurate with your higher ethical standard, different standards. And I'm about to show you, that means you get the max punishment. You absolutely knew better. The Attorney General and judges are as crooked as the crooks. Yes, yes. Corrupt justice system. Switching out one corrupt judge for another. Yes, and we're about to get to the bottom of that. Here we go. Here's our chart. Here's what happened to him.
New at 6, charges have been dropped against a Rains County judge accused of tampering with a witness. 2 counts of official oppression and 2 counts of tampering with a witness were dismissed against Justice of the Peace.
Of course they were.
Judge Robert Franklin. Again, this is in Rains County. Now, according to a lawsuit filed in federal court, Franklin was accused of threatening a defendant's life in an attempt to force a plea deal. Now, the Van Zandt County DA says the charges were dropped because an investigation called witnesses into question. Now, charges will be dismissed after...
So, they believe the judges are not the witnesses. Is that where we're at? Or somebody got to the witnesses. He's already made threats to kill him.
Franklin completes a year of deferred adjudication in a separate firearms case. A Rains County Judge Linda Wallace was also indicted in this case. The DA says she did not take a plea deal, and her case will go to trial on December 8th.
Will it? What'd she get? She going to jail?
Charges have been dropped against a second judge in Rains
Who is surprised by that? Nobody.
County in connection to a witness tampering case. Former Rains County Judge Linda Wallace was arrested in July for reportedly pressuring a witness to withhold testimony. Court documents reveal the witness worked for Wallace. Now, a county official says the judge resigned from her post following those allegations. The charges stem from a case involving Justice of the Peace Robert Franklin. Franklin was accused of threatening a defendant into making a deal. The charges against him were dropped in November. As of news time, county officials contacted by our newsroom say they have no information about the reason behind this latest dismissal or whether additional action is expected.
Really? Let's see if there's any on this one. Comments were turned off on that last one. Of course they were. Comments are turned off. Of course they are. Of course the comments are turned off. Why wouldn't they be turned off? Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button. It's free. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.